Good evening everyone. Today we have Navneet with us and he is going to do mental multiplication and he'll be doing addition and subtraction of single digit also. He has just finished his level 2. Start Navneet. 4 plus 5 minus 7 add 8 add 3 add 2 add 9 add 6 add 3. Yes, your answer multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, 231.
Yes. Make 9, add 6, add 5, add 3, minus 2, add 5, add 4, add 7, add 3, add 5. Your answer multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, 225.
Yes. Next question. Make 8, add 6, add 5, minus 7, add 8, add 9, add 3, add 5, minus 6, add 4, add 3. Your answer multiplied by 6.
Ma'am, 228.
228 is the right answer. Next question. Make 5, add 4, minus 6, add 2, add 8, add 7, add 3, add 5, add 7. Your answer multiplied by 4.
Ma'am, 140.
140 is the right answer. Very good.